That girl Asiana, yes, you're early. Oh, trying to fix this one. Alright. So is that? No, that's not it. Trying to fix this one. Much better. If you can see me, guys. Alright. This one's a rotate screen. Rotating screen, but it's not staying. Hi, guys. Hi, hello. No, she's not. No, she's not. Good evening. Yeah, guys on YouTube. I'm trying to fix this phone, but it. Got an idea. Use a dish towel. Won't slide. There you go. All right. Wanna see the bread I hang over up on the fridge top? Jesus, have mercy on me. All right, guys. This is it. How can I donate from United States? Everybody is saying to set up a new GoFundMe. I think we're gonna do that because I don't want to be blocked by the remittances. Now tonight I am very emotional. Spirit Rebel, I will follow. Just send me a DM, please, Spirit Rebel. I will follow your page when I'm finished. Guys, let me turn off my notifications as I should have done already. Oh, someone's calling me Mommy Samson. My God, you guys don't know how hard this is. How hard. I haven't cried in a while, but I can't help it tonight. You know, it's been a while. Kaylan has been doing so good. Kaylan has been doing so. I don't care who want to backlash. I'm just going to put this out there right now. I don't care who want to say negative. I don't care who wants to say anything at all about me at this moment. I don't care. Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes in life. Nobody has the right to hurt anybody, no matter where they are and no matter what the situation is. Now, when I'm finished, I'm going to be reaching out to some people. I'm going to be reaching out to the ministers. I'm going to be reaching out to some of the entertainers, some of the athletes. I made a post today on Usain's page asking for help. I have reached that point. All through this, I have not been doing it. I haven't been contacting anybody. I haven't been DMing anybody. I haven't been bothering anybody. I made several appeals to the government and you know, as per usual, I'm ignored. But I'm going to do things the right way. Right? Not going to point any fingers, not going to backlash anybody. It's not about that tonight. It's not about that. Right? Tonight is about Kaylan. Now, Kaylan has been doing so well. Kaylan was doing so well to the point that they were going to discharge her. They were thinking of discharging her. Right? That's how well she was doing. Right? We got her off the vent for a few days. Come on, people. A C2 spinal injury, 9 cardiac arrests, 9 times her heart stopped. Multiple seizures. She went into septic shock. If anybody knows anything about sepsis, it's about a 45 to 50% mortality rate. A C2 spinal injury has a higher mortality rate. I was actually told that she would never survive this. She survived paralysis. She's now moving her limbs. She's eating, talking. Face dead on her, you can't find at the hospital. Face dead on her, you can't find the nurse. A lot of the nurses, they just love her because they're always laughing when they go into her cubicle. I will be releasing Kaylan's birthday pictures tonight. I don't care who. And I don't want nobody to tell me to take them down. I don't want nobody to call me and tell me to take down any picture of my child. I have a right to post anything I want, and I am not going to remove them. Whatever the consequences may be, I will deal with it. And that is the truth. Because I'm not going to let nobody forget about my child. And I'm not going to let the world forget what happened to her. I'm not going to let these people forget what they did. I've been calling out for help for a long time. It's been 9 months. 9 months. I do what I can every single day. I get up and I go every single day. And she cries and she suffers in pain that no medication can help. They give her morphine, they give her fentanyl, they give her baralgin. She's on all of these medications all at once. At one point, she's on 3 and 4 antibiotics all at once. Not separately, all on the same time. Till her body turned black. I don't share every single detail, but right now I need help. I reached out to some hospitals overseas when she was doing better, when she was stable, and was told that they can't take her because she does not require, at that time, she does not require medical help. She requires therapy. She requires pulmonary therapy, respiratory therapy, and things like that. So they said she need an acute care facility. No. If a child survives all of this, everything the doctors said she would not do, she survived. She survived all of it, to the point where they're planning to send her home. That's how far she reached. That's how well she was off almost all the medications. She was just on like things for seizure and things like that. She was off fluids, off antibiotics, off all these things. Right? That's how well she was doing. I have the evidence of all of this. But I'm constantly told, do not post, do not give out too much information, do not this, do not that, do not. But right now, I don't care. Because if I don't, I will not get help. And she needs it. I can't sit back after 9 months and see my child survive all of this and then just sit back and let her die. I am not going to do it. Whatever, you can lock me up when you're not done. Whatever the consequences, lock me up. But I'm not going to make she dead. I'm not going to sit by and let her die. Now Kaylan's condition has gotten a turn for the worst. Her blood pressure is not stabilizing at the moment. Her saturation level keeps dropping. She's right back on the vent control. She can't breathe any at all for herself. I don't care. I don't want nobody tell me not to say anything. I don't want nobody tell me not to post anything, because all the people that are telling me not to are not helping me. Everybody that is saying don't post this, don't that, they are not helping. I am not going to be reading any negatives tonight. I'm not going to even look at you people, because all you do is talk. Empty barrels make the most noise. None of you have reached out to help her. All the people that are talking. Now she has reached a point where she needs help. The doctors here have told me that they have done what they can. They have done what they can. There's no step-down facility in Jamaica for Kaylan. There's no facility to take her out of ICU. There's no facility for her to go to here in this island that we live. Or anywhere in the Caribbean, to be frank. I have called around. I've had people call around, checking all from Cayman, Trinidad, Barbados, Bahamas, everywhere, trying to find a facility to take her who can help her. Now I am at my wit's end. What we need is a facility to say, hey, we're going to take this child. That is what I need. That is actually what we need. Nobody now have to put dollar in my hand. Whatever facility needs to get it, just send it right to them. Please. I'm not asking for any financial help. I don't need nobody to put nothing in my hand. That's not what I'm here for. What I need is somewhere that can save her life. That is all I'm asking. I'm asking for somewhere that can save her life. That is it. Right? We tried a few facilities in the States and they're asking me for overseas insurance. I've never been to the States. Where would I get overseas insurance? Come on, people. Be realistic. When I'm finished, I'm going to send messages to everybody that I can find on this Instagram page who I know can do something. If you yourself can't do it, I know some of you know people who can help. Somebody influential where you can call and say, look, there's a situation with this little young lady and she's been fighting. She's been fighting and we just want to help her. That's all I'm asking. That is all I'm asking. Today I was at the hospital and she was still joking around, still trying, even though she can't keep up because she's so drowsy. Right? She's still trying to crack a joke. She's still trying to smile through all of this. I don't know who is out there. This live is just an appeal. That's all I'm here for, an appeal. I don't know who, but I'm just praying that somebody will see and God will speak to somebody's heart, and a hospital, a doctor, a surgeon, I don't know who. If I was in the position to help somebody, I would. So I don't understand how nobody's trying to help. I don't understand how nobody's trying to help. I've had a few people that reached out to me since this happened, and I appreciate these people. Right? I appreciate these people. The people that have reached out, who have showed up on her behalf in the beginning of all this. I appreciate you. Right? I appreciate you. But right now, she needs help. She needs to get out. She needs help. She needs to be in a facility where she can get what she needs. The doctors here have done a great job. But they have told me they have done what they... So we're just sitting and waiting. That's all we've been doing for months now. Waiting. Watching. Waiting and watching. That's all we've been doing for months now. Because they have done their best. She has a blood infection now. Her liver is swollen. and the rest of her vitals are so unstable. They have to be upping the medication or turning it down just to stabilize her blood pressure. She's going back into a critical state after she's come so far from 1% to the state that she is eligible to actually be considered to go home. And we're back here. I don't know who is watching. I don't know who is listening. I don't know who is out there, who cares, if anybody cares. I have done what I can physically do. The only thing I can do next is probably go out there, go Black Road, and that is another problem. Right? Because I can't afford to be locked up, because she would not survive that. Oh God, this is the hardest thing I've ever had in my entire life. I don't wish this on any mother. I don't wish it on any father. I don't wish it on anybody's child. I don't have any enemies. No, not from my end. I don't have any enemies. Don't know who considers me one, but I don't have any. But I'm asking you guys. I see people tagging a lot of people. I just sent some DMs to Ramesh, Sean Paul, Morgan Heritage, Anthony B, Capleton, and several others. I am going to be sending the DMs. I don't know. Maybe they will read them. Maybe they won't. But I'm still going to send them. Right? I am going to be sending them regardless. Because she needs help. And there's no two-way about it. There's no going around it. There's no going back from it. She needs help. And I can't, as a mother, I can't just sit and watch. I'm not going to sit and watch. So whatever means necessary, whatever I'm going to have to do right now to get some help or to get attention so that she can get the help that she needs. Remember, she's fitted with a pacemaker. Her heart rate has been going through the roof, right? And she's fitted with that pacemaker. But I'm not happy. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing. I'm not happy with how I'm feeling. I'm not happy with what is going on with her. She cries, she cries, she cries, she cries, she cries. Oh my God. You know what she said? She said there's no mercy. When I'm calling on God and I'm saying, God have mercy, she said there's no mercy for her. She said no, there's no mercy. She's thinking that God is not hearing her. She's thinking that God is not listening. She says there's no mercy for her. No, how can a mother stand by and watch this? I don't know if I can. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. It says there's no mercy for her. She cried, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Every day she's Jesus, Jesus, mercy, mercy. She's been crying Jesus and mercy for days and weeks. Oh my God. She's been crying for Jesus and mercy for weeks. She's feeling this pain and we still can't figure out what is causing this pain. And the medication's not helping this pain and she's just in constant pain. Jesus. Oh God. I keep trusting God. And I'm not going to stop trusting God. But the Bible says, when all things use wisdom. And the Bible also says the Lord helps those that helps themselves. So I'm not going to just sit and look and say, okay, God is going to come down from the sky and do it. I have to get up and do something. He will put the right people in place. That's how God helps. He will send the right people. He will provide the money. He will do all of this. Right? He will do all of this. But we have to get up and try. We have to get up and reach out. We have to try. So right now, tonight, I don't know. And everybody that I DM, I will be posting on your page so that you know that I DM'd you. Everybody that I DM, I'm going to be posting on your page that I DM'd you so that you know that I sent you a message. And I'm asking you, please, to read it. Nothing about Kaylan is a mystery. Nothing about her is a secret. Nothing about her is not known. I make everything known to everybody. 9 months. Lying on your back for 9 months. Every day she has back pain. Every day, and no medication helps that. And she's been having this stomach pain for nearly 2 weeks. And we still have not figured it out. We still haven't figured it out. They don't like when I come on social media and talk. They don't like it. They don't want me to come and talk. But these people who don't want me to talk, they're not helping. They bash me, they're not helping. They tear me down, they're still not helping. They criticize, they're not helping. No matter what they're saying, they're still not helping. What's the point? Don't post this. Don't post that. But you are not helping. Come on, guys. Everything you talk about, but you're still not helping. What? I don't need to be criticized. I don't care about that. I don't need to be bashed. I don't care about that. What I need is somebody to help my child. My name does not change on Instagram or anywhere. It's Venesha Buckley, but they have a shortening, Ven Buckley, on Instagram. On Facebook, on YouTube, it's same Venesha Buckley. No matter what anybody wants to say, they are still not helping. I've been asking for help. I've been begging for help. I've been groveling for help, and I'm still not getting any help. She can't just lay there. She's been lying there for months. I reached out. I tried. I've been trying. And I'm still not getting anywhere. I'm still not getting anywhere. I've called so many rehab facilities in the States, in Canada, in other places, trying to find somewhere to accept her. Right? I reached out to Mayo. I reached out to Jackson. I reached out to some places in New York, in Florida. A lot of places we've been trying. We've been trying. Nothing is working because I'm not rich. So tonight I'm reaching out to the rich people. Tonight I'm reaching out to the people with influence. Tonight I'm reaching out to the social diaspora, people on social media. I'm reaching out to the corporate people, anybody in Jamaica, corporate executives. I'm reaching out to you people. I go down to Jamaica National Bank. I go to NCB. I go to Victoria Mutual. I go all of the places them that I know that people are there. That's where all of this lies. Because this is all about money. That is the only reason why so much of us suffer. Because we don't have money. I'm trying to get some help. That's all I'm asking for, people. I'm trying to get some help. That's all I'm asking. This is all this is about right now. I need help for my child. She's no less of a person. She's no less of a child. Just like anybody else's child. All of you people out there who have children, just think about if it was your child. Think about if it was your child in this position. What would you do? What would you do? 95% of the entertainers in Jamaica and overseas have children. 95% of the politicians in Jamaica and overseas have children. Most of who is on social media have children. What if it happened to your child? Just look at your child right now. Look at your child and just think for a second. What if this had happened to Johnny or Jenny or baby Rebecca or Brittany or Sandy or whatever her name is? Right? Paris. All these little names that you give your kids. What if it happened to your child? We don't want to help nobody until we need help. Right? We don't want to help nobody until we need help. All these people, everybody in the world got children. All I'm asking for, call somebody at the hospital if you know somebody. If you work at the hospital, talk to the admin. See if you can get a door open. See if they can get her admitted. See, that's all I need to get her there. Whatever is to come along the way, we'll deal with it. But I need her to get somewhere, to get the help that she needs. That is it. That is all I'm here for. That is all I am here for. So I'm not going to be too long on this live. I don't know. I'm going to call the hospital when I'm done and check up back on her today. My heart broke over and over and over. Every time I go there, my heart broke. My heart just keeps breaking. I don't know if one person's heart can break so many times. She's suffering, and that's the real truth. When I mean she suffers, sometimes even the nurses cry. Even the nurses cry tears sometimes because sometimes even the nurses cry. I'm not going to read anything that is posted negative. I'm not going to even look. Because that's not going to help me. That's not going to help my child. That's not going to change her situation. That's not going to make anything better. What I need is a hospital. Somewhere to take her that can offer her the care that she needs. These doctors have overworked themselves trying to save this child. They have worked. The nurses have overworked themselves. Some of them take it so personal. Them stress out over her. And that is the truth. That is the truth. So right now, I just need the help when she need. That is it. I don't care about nothing else. So, I will be posting. I will be reaching out. Right now, as I hang up, I'll be messaging some people, DMing some people, and I will be tagging them, and I will be posting on their pages, and I'm not going to stop until somebody sees it, somebody answers, somebody reaches out, somebody helps. I'm not going to stop. Not going to stop. I am not going to stop until somebody sees this. and somebody helps. That is it. That's all I'm here for. So whoever want to say whatever, doesn't matter at this moment to me. Thick skin and broad back right now for me. Me no care. Me nah stop. Me nah give up. And me nah stop until my child is alright. If God kept her this long, that means she will make it. She just needs the help. That's all she needs. If she survived this long, and she survived so much, they said she wasn't going to be able to talk. She wasn't going to be able to eat. She wasn't going to remember me. She wasn't going to walk. She wasn't going to do anything. They said she would never come off the ventilator. And we got her off. So, it was short-lived, but at least she got to that point. At least she got to that point. That means there is hope. There is hope. And if she survived all their C2 spinal injuries above all the motor skills, all the functions of the body, and she still survived. They said most times a C2 spinal injury is fatal. It leads to death. And she survived. She went into septic shock. 2 cardiacs in one night the last time she had a cardiac. And she survived. Now, why should I give up if she's not giving up? If she's still fighting, why should I stop fighting? If she's not closing those eyes and keeping them shut, why should I? Why should I give up? Why do people want me to give up on my child? Me? Nah, gonna happen until my last breath. The only time I give up is when I'm dead. That's the only time I will give up, when I am dead. So me I go keep pressing, and me I go if me have it out here every day, me I go out here every day until she gets help. That is all I'm here for. Don't matter who I have nothing to say. No matter to me. Don't care. Call me whatever you want to call me. Because I've heard the worst of names. I've been called the worst of names. I've been accused of things I have no knowledge of. But me still nah stop. I'm nah give up. Until I get the help that this child needs. She's fighting, so I'm going to fight along with her until the end. That is all I am here for. That is all I'm there for. Nothing else. Nothing else. That child needs help. She's been fighting for 9 months. And I go get the help. Because right now, I'm reach a point where I just reach that point. That point there, you know, when you reach that point there, where anything and you not care, and whatever goes, that's how me reach. Me reach that point there, where anything goes, I don't care. God is going to send the right people. But me know me have to try, me have to reach out, me have to keep fighting, me have to keep going for her. Me have to do it for her. I already feel like a failure. So nobody no need to tell me that. I blame myself 1,000,001 times. Nobody no have to tell me that. Nobody no have to bash me because I bash myself. Nobody no have to tear me down because I tear down myself already. Nobody no have to criticize me because I criticize myself daily. Every day. Me criticize myself every day. So me no need that from nobody because it not help me. It not change nothing. It not fix nothing. It not give her a new heart. It not give her a new pair of lungs. And it not go fix her spinal cord. She's moving her limbs. And her foot and move. She was doing so well. And now, look at us back at square one. Because, what? Because we don't have the resources that she needs to get her out of ICU. That is it. That's all I've been asking for months now. Get her to a facility that has the resources that she needs. And because she's been in ICU so long, she been infection-free for months. And now she back at square one. Blood infection, enlarged liver, vital signs unstable again. Come on, people. After the picnic come out of so much. Come from nothing to something. And because of lack of day sickness and dragging her feet, she gone back at square one. She's back to square one. Come on. We have to do better. We have to do better. We have to do better. When we see somebody a push, we have to help them push. And she's pushing. And her circumstances is unfortunate because it's beyond her control. She never have nothing to do with what happened. I never fear her fight. It's not her fight. It wasn't her fight. She never have nothing to do with the fight. Me know everything will go down. Me hear everything will go down. It never have nothing to do with her. She was just there with the wrong set of people. She just got caught up in somebody else's feud, somebody else's fight, somebody else's bangarang, somebody else's problem she got caught up in. That is it. And look at it now. 9 months and she's still in there. I don't want nobody asking me no questions that is not relevant to what I'm doing here. I don't want nobody asking me no questions that is not relevant to helping Kaylan. Ask me which facility she fi go. Ask me what kind of help she need. Ask me those things. Ask me how we are going to get her there. That me want you ask me. Now ask me nothing at all that is not relevant to what I'm here for. Nothing at all. The hospitals can do what the hospitals can do. Kaylan for go outside. They don't have portable ventilator. Simple little things we have shortage of. Some simple little things. You understand what I'm saying? They don't have the resources. And you can't blame them. You can't bash them because they just not have it. They just don't have it. And you can't stress out the doctor them for do what's beyond their control and their abilities. You can't stress them out for do it. Because them have to work with what them have. And that is the truth. As I said before, I don't care what nobody wants to say at this point. If you're not here to help, you're irrelevant. If you are not here to help, to me, you're null and void. I don't know on yourself. Irrelevant. So right now, I'm going to get off this live and I'm going to go back to texting all the people that I think or I can reach out to, who I know possibilities are there, that they have a platform. If it's even to raise awareness so that she can get the help, I am going to do it now. I thank you all, for everybody who listened, everybody who is tagging people who they think can help, anybody who is encouraging, anybody who is helping in any what way, right? Any what way. I appreciate you and I thank you, because me personally couldn't do it without any help. Me couldn't do it, because my little money when me did have done from the first day. So if it wasn't for the help of you people, she would not have been made, she wouldn't have made it this far. So me appreciate it and me grateful. Me grateful for whatever I got to put towards her. But right now, we need a facility for her to get the care that she needs. That is it. That is it. That is all me come for. Me no care about nothing else. Me no want to hear nothing else from nobody. No ask me about nobody. No ask me about nobody else. No ask me about nothing else. But Kaylan's health right now. She not doing good and she need the help and she need the care. How is Kaylan doing? And people will text me after the live finish and ask me, how is Kaylan doing? Let me talk it in the live. She's not doing well. She is not doing well. Kaylan is not doing well. Me I go say it again. Kaylan nah do good. She nah do good right now. And she need help. She been needing this help. I've been trying to reach out for months. Been trying to get help for months. Nobody now look for me. But me nah give up. Because I know there's somebody. Because it not take more one somebody. One. Got out of the millions of people where they on the earth. And the millions and millions of people where they on the earth. There must be one person who can help. And me not stop until me reach that one person. Because God I go speak to somebody's heart. So God I go put somebody in my way. God I go make somebody tag somebody we know this somebody we can help her. So me, Kaylan mother, I go continue do what me have to do. Me not care about nothing else. Because me not give up. Because she not dead. And as long as she not dead, me not stop until she get the help. As long as she not dead, me not give up. As long as she not dead, me I go keep trying. You have to go shame me 1 million at one time. You have to go call me Jankro dog or anything in the book. Me will take it because me not care. As long as she get the help. Anything you want to throw at me, me I go take it. Right now, me our mother willing to take all of the lashes them. Me willing to carry all of the cross them. Me ready to bear all the burdens them. Me ready for to throw me under the bus. Me ready. Me ready for everything wanna go throw at me now. Because me no really care about me. Me can good as dead, you know. It no matter to me. But me I gotta do what me can do for help my picnic them. Me no care about nothing else. That's all I'm here for. That's all this mother is here for. My name is Venesha Buckley, the mother of Kaylan Anissa Dowdy, who is currently in the University Hospital. Been there from November 7th, 2020 until to date. Survived and went through hell and back. She's still there. She's still there. I see people saying that they want to help. Just send me a DM. I will be. Tonight, me not go sleep because I go through every single DM tonight. Because me know me no want to miss nobody. Sis, I am on YouTube Live as well. I see you calling me. I see you calling me. Right? Me no care. Me I go help my picnic. Me ready for face all of the consequences. I don't really care. All right? So, have a blessed night. Have a blessed night. Keep tagging who you think can help. Anybody who you think can help. Any facility that you think can help. Any organization that you think can help. Anybody, all the aristocratic people in this country, home and abroad, all the people who wants to be Jamaican, all the people, Kaylan, I see Kaylan supporting. You know what's the funny thing? I see Kaylan do a lot of videos, a lot of things for, because she's a music person. She loves to sing. She loves to dance. You know, she's an entertainer, right? And she's and even these people, I put up videos with these people, and none of them, nobody, and you know, to think that she emulates them so much. She looks up to a lot of them, you know. She thinks so highly of them. She thinks so highly of these people. Bro God, Mrs. here in her bro God hat, and she take picture in it. Mrs. she dip we use mark up her finger and pan election day and say she vote. Everybody knows she can't vote because she underage. But she put it up with her bro God hat and say, "My vote." Come on, none of these people are reaching out. But it's all right, because somebody is going to see this video. I am holding faith that somebody will see tonight. Tonight, me go get her help. That is the level of faith I'm exercising right now. Tonight, she's going to get help. Tonight. Because I don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. And I'm not going to wait until tomorrow. I love everybody. I want these people that Kaylan loves so much to love her back. Right? I want these people that she loves so much to love her back. They don't have to. Nobody has to do anything. Nobody has to care. But if it was your child, wouldn't you want somebody to care? Wouldn't you want somebody to help? Wouldn't you want somebody to reach out? I think you would. Every mother would want somebody to help their child. Every mother, every parent, every father, if their child was in this position, would want somebody to help their child. Everybody would want to feel like they matter, like they are somebody in this world. Irrespective of the circumstances, irrespective of how it happened. We can't change the past. We can't go back in time. We can't go back and say, we're going to redo it and not do what we did. Right? We can't. So whatever happened, done happen already. But what we are going to do about it now, because the situation is still on the table. The situation is still on the table. That is the issue at hand. That is the truth. Despite what it happened last year when it happened. Whatever happened, it don't happen, you know. Remember that, you know. So when you're going to say, that's why she should have turned her yard, that's why she should have this, that now going to change the situation to it happened. And when you say that, it's as if you condone this act of violence. So because she never stay in her yard, give somebody the right to attack her and lick her in her head with a Hennessy buckle, leaving her with a C2 spinal lesion. Come on, people. Listen to yourself when you attack. And half of you we attack of pitney. Remember, this never have nothing to do with her, you know. And no fear fight, you know. Just think about that fact. It's not her fight. And as she they go pick trouble. So whatever the case may be, it done happen already. So, alright. I'm going to end these lives. Again, I thank you, I appreciate you. For everybody who is trying to say something to me. I don't know if I can go back and because I'm not reading as I normally do because I don't want the negatives to distract me and change my chain of thought. So I just never did really pay attention to them. Please, I beg of you, if you have any information or any help to offer, in this case, DM me. Me go sit down and go through every single one tonight. Okay? I will be responding to everybody tonight. Okay? So please, send me a DM. I will respond. Whatever it is, I will respond tonight. And again, I'm going to be reaching out to the people of this country, the mothers, the fathers. And I'm not going to say, I'm not going to even put anybody in any special category. I'm going to say the nation at large, the world at large. I'm reaching out to the world. So if you live in Spain, if you live in Africa, if you live in Europe, if you live in Canada, America, USA, anywhere in the world that you live, I'm imploring, I'm asking, I'm begging. If you know of anything that can make this transition possible, that she can get to somewhere, that she can get the care that we cannot give her here in Jamaica, I am asking you to please send me a DM. That's it. My number is still available. 362-1876, 362-1827, 1876, 362-1827. Please, I am asking, send me a WhatsApp message if you have to. If you can't DM and you can send a WhatsApp with some information, send the information. Please, if you know somebody where you know say that person can help and if you reach out to that person, send it to. Let me reach out to that person. That is all I'm asking. So I thank you for tuning in. I thank you. I thank you. I thank you all. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for praying up Kaylan. Thank you for being there for her. I thank you. Have a great night, everybody. I have said enough. And I hope and I'm praying that somebody will see, somebody will hear. God will pull upon somebody's heart who has the ability to help, and she will get this help ASAP. Because we don't need the help today. We need it from last week. We need it from the week before, and the month before, and the month before that. She been needed this help. And if she had gotten the help at that time when she was well and stable, she would have been home by now. Things wouldn't have deteriorated like this. So, that's it for tonight. Thank you all.